Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Telegram group stories secure and prevent other admins from editing them, you're in the right place. With the latest Telegram update, you have more control than ever over what your admins can and can't do, right from your PC. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you manage these permissions easily. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Next, navigate to the group where you're an admin. You'll find this in your chat list. Just click on the group to open it. Once inside the group chat, look to the top right corner for the three dots icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group management settings, where you can control everything from permissions to group info. Now, in the management menu, find and click on Administrators. Here you'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Choose the admin whose permissions you want to adjust by clicking on their name. Within the admin settings, scroll down to the Manage Stories section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Edit Stories of Others. To prevent this admin from editing stories posted by other members, simply disable this option. This ensures that the selected admin can no longer modify stories that aren't their own. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. Your settings will be updated immediately, and the admin will now have restricted access when it comes to editing group stories. That's it. By following these steps, you can keep your group stories exactly how you want them and maintain full control over your Telegram community. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group owners who might want to tighten their group story permissions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your enhanced group management on Telegram.